I am Varun Kumar and now we are going to discuss tables further. Selecting a column or row in a table. There are two ways to select column within a table. Position the insertion point in any cell within the column. Display the layout tab of the ribbon. Then select ribbon and then select a column. Move the mouse cursor just above the column you want to select. It will turn into a downward pointing arrow. Click on the left mouse button. The two ways to select a row within a table are very similar. Position the insertion point in any cell within the row. Display the layout tab of the ribbon. Then click select row. Move the mouse cursor just to the left of the row you want to select and then click on the left mouse button. How to delete a table in a Word. If you have inserting a table in Word and you now want to delete it, you may have found it is not all that straightforward to delete the entire table without deleting other content around the table. We will show you a couple of ways around these limitations. To delete a table, first select the entire table. As you can see in this picture, for deleting a table, we have to select all over the table we want to delete. Click the layout tab under the table tools. As you can see in this figure, after selecting all the table, we have to click the layout tab in the Microsoft Word. And after that, click delete in the rows and column section and select delete table to delete the table. You can also use delete columns and delete row option to delete the entire table as long as entire table is selected. As you can see in layout option, there is option of delete. In that option we have to click the lower part of that and then we see lots of option in which we have to click the delete table. Move or copy a table. Drag a table to a new location. In print layout view, rest the pointer on the table until the table move handle appear. Rest the pointer over the table move handle until the pointer become a four-headed arrow and then click the table move handle. Drag the table to a new location. Copy a table and paste it in a new location. When you paste a table in a new location, you can copy the table or cut it. When you copy a table, the original table remain in place. When you cut a table, the original table is deleted. In print layout view, rest the pointer on the table until the table move handle appears. Click the table move handle to select the table. Do one of the following. To copy the table, press Ctrl plus C. To cut the table, press Ctrl plus X. Place the cursor where you want the new table. Press Ctrl V to paste the table in the new location. Merge in a table. You can combine two or more table cells located in the same row or column into a single cell. For example, you can merge several cells horizontally to create a table heading that span several columns. Select the cell that you want to merge. Under Table tool on Layout tab in a merge group, click Merge Cell. Split cells. Click in a cell or select multiple cells that you want to split. Under the Table tools on the Layout tab in a merge group, click Split cells. Enter the number of column or row that you want to split the selected cell into.